This is the exacttrades.com movers report for July 28th, 2011. We're taking a look at the S&P 500 here. You can see pre-market we're holding up that support from the previous day's close. Looks like we might have a higher opening. Watch for a push above 131 with some buying on the open, and probably going to be focused a little bit more on the longs. If it fails this support here, or fails below 130, you're going to have to switch gears, look for those shorts. So we're kind of at a key area here with this consolidation. So let's go ahead and look at today's trades. First we have GMCR. We got a gap up here, going to open around 106 area. Let's take a look at the daily. So we're pretty well above this resistance level. So it's a breakout gap up above 97. You're going to want to look to short this down below 104. Look to take some profit around 102.50 and then down into 101 and possibly 100. You could see maybe if it comes down below 100, leave a small piece, possibly fill down the gap. But 102 to 100 is going to be a good target range. Now this could be strong on the open. I'm not sure I would take it long necessarily. You might look for it to bounce up and then turn over, break below the low of the day, and then you can take it short then. Next we have Crocs, CROX. You can see here we're going to open around 29. Take a look at the daily. We're going to look for a breakout long over at 29. So I take it long about 29.15. You're going to look to take profit around 29.50 and then leave a piece to see if you can go into 30 and then over 30. Next we have IPI. You can see here we're going to open around 34.40 area. Take a look at the daily. Breaking above this consolidation area, we're going to look to take this long over 34.50. First target's going to be 35. You might want to take profit a little bit early, maybe around 34.85. Leave a piece for 35 and then see if you can push through 35. Above that, maybe 35.40 would be the next resistance level. Next we have SQNS. You can see here we're gapping down, going to open around 10. Let's take a look at the daily. Pretty big gap down, over 5 points. Coming into pretty good support here around 10. So I'm going to look to take this long over 10. Look for it on the open to have strong volume and a move up into this 10.15, 10.25 area. Take it long. You can start with a small piece or half. See if it'll pull back, make a higher low, and then add to your position. Should trend up. Look to take profit around 1 to 1.5% from your average entry, and then keep a small piece or half of your position to move up and make higher highs. Could move up into 12 and possibly 13 area if we have a strong day in the market. Next we have Teradyne, that's TER. You can see here we're going to open around 12.50 area. Let's take a look at the daily. So we're going to break down below support levels. I'm going to look to take this short on the open. So look for this to open, might hold for a minute or two, watch for it to break to a new low of the day. I would take this short probably below 12.40. Look to take some profit around 12.20 and then 12, and then leave a piece to see if it can make it down below 12. But I'm going to be looking to the short side on TER. Next we have LRCX. You can see we're going to open around $40. Again, same story. You're going to break down below support level. Also going to break below 40. I'm going to want to take this short around 39.90. You're going to want to take some profit around 39.60 to 39.50 area, and then leave half of your trade to move down into possibly 39. Next we have S-Fly. You can see here, looks like we're going to open around that 54 level. Go to the daily. Coming down, but we're not quite at support yet, around 50. So I would look to take this short on a new low of the day after the open. So probably around, below 54, 53.85, 53.80. Take this short. You're going to look to take some profit around 53 to 53.15. It's a good area. See if it can move down below 53. Leave a piece for it, and it could move down possibly into 52. But I think that this area up here in the mid 53s is going to be a good profit target. So that's the report for today. Good luck to everyone, and we'll see you back here tomorrow.